When traveling to Egypt, there are a few key things to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. First off, be cautious of scams, especially near popular tourist sites. It's common for vendors to approach you with offers that seem too good to be true. Always negotiate prices beforehand for things like taxis and camel rides to avoid any surprises. Next, don't drink the tap water. Stick to bottled water to prevent any stomach issues that can ruin your trip. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in the heat. Speaking of heat, be mindful of the sun. Egypt can get extremely hot, particularly in the summer months. Make sure to wear sunscreen, a hat, and seek shade during the hottest parts of the day. When exploring local markets, you'll encounter persistent vendors. A polite but firm no, thank you usually does the trick. It's all part of the experience, but don't feel pressured to buy anything you're not interested in. And remember, when visiting religious sites, dress modestly. Cover your shoulders and knees to show respect for local customs. This simple act can enhance your experience and help you connect with the culture. Now, let's talk about what you absolutely can't miss in Egypt. The pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx are a must-see. Standing in front of these ancient wonders is awe-inspiring. Don't forget to take a camel ride for a unique perspective of the pyramids. A Nile cruise is another unforgettable experience. Picture yourself sailing past ancient temples and lush landscapes, soaking in the beauty of the river that has nourished this land for millennia. Luxor and the Valley of the Kings are essential stops as well. The tombs of the pharaohs are breathtaking, and the temples, like Karnak and Luxor, are filled with incredible history and stunning architecture. If you're into snorkeling or diving, the Red Sea is a paradise. The vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life are simply mesmerizing. Make sure to take the plunge and explore the underwater world. And of course, you can't leave Egypt without indulging in the local cuisine. Try koshari, full medams, and tamia. Each dish is a delicious representation of Egyptian culture and flavors. Lastly, don't miss the Khan El Khalili market in Cairo. It's a vibrant hub of activity where you can find unique souvenirs and immerse yourself in local life. The atmosphere is electric, and it's a great place to practice your bargaining skills. By keeping these tips in mind and embracing the incredible experiences Egypt has to offer, you're sure to have an unforgettable adventure.